In either situation, he attains the state of his previous birth and a relation with Atma and Paramatma by using his intelligence. Buddhi samyogam labhate purvadekam. He then strives again for complete perfection. In the next life, he tries even harder to attain perfection in the form of seeing the Atma and Paramatma in his pure heart, as if waking up from sleep, in order that he will not fall down again. Definitely he is attracted to that previous spiritual practice, even without effort. Purva abhyasena riyate yavasho. Inquisitive about yoga, he surpasses all the materialistic paths of the Vedas.